Some players have been getting the 523 error code while trying to play a game of Roblox. Players cannot join the server and the status of the game has changed and you no longer have access. Error message is shown alongside the error code mentioned above. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the error message mentioned, so just follow through. Method 1. Checking for a server issue. Before you try any of the other potential fixes below, you should begin this troubleshooting attempt by checking whether the game is currently in the middle of a server problem. You can verify the status of the Roblox servers by checking the official Roblox status website for any recent server issues. If all is fine there, head over to Down Detector and see if any issues are in your local area. Just access the dedicated page and see if other users playing the game on the same platform as you are currently seeing the same error code. If your investigation has revealed that the game developers are currently in the middle of mitigating server problems, just wait for a couple of hours before trying to launch Roblox again. In case this has not revealed any underlying server issue with the game, move down to the next method. Method 2. Check your internet connection. The internet plays a big role in online multiplayer games. If you want to play an online multiplayer game, you must have a stable internet connection, because Roblox 523 error is related to the internet connection. If your internet is stable and you are still facing the error code 523, then you can use VPN as an alternative solution, although the VPN protects the user information from the web server and also gives you a better internet speed. There are several VPN applications available on the internet. You can use one of them. I also recommend Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, because the Ethernet provides a stable connection. However, the Wi-Fi might fail to provide a stable connection as Ethernet. Because if some of the mobile devices are connected with your Wi-Fi, then your internet speed might get unstable. On the other hand, if you use Ethernet, you will not face the unresponsive internet connection. Method 3. Allow Roblox through Firewall. Press Windows key, then type Firewall and select Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Finally, locate Roblox from the list and ensure that it's allowed to access your network. If not, click Change Settings, click Allow another app, then follow the on-screen instructions to add Roblox.x to the allowed apps list. Once completed, click OK. Launch the game once again and see if error still throws up. If it's still ongoing, please move on to next method. Method 4. Restart computer and power cycle your router. Shut down your computer. Power down and unplug the modem and the router if you're using one. Allow to sit for 3 minutes unplugged. Plug in and turn on the modem and router, and allow them to completely boot up until the front panel connection lights on the modem show a steady connection. Start the computer and allow it to completely boot up, then check if the issue has been fixed for you or not. Method 5. Remove Adblocker. Adblocker is an extension that allows users to avoid ads in a web browser. It is a resource that blocks the advertisement from the website in a web browser. Adblocker could prevent you from playing Roblox in a web browser. Make sure to disable the ad blocker before playing Roblox. Method 6. Reset your browser. Click on 3 dots on the top right of the screen. Click on Settings to view the Chrome settings. Go to the Advanced menu on the left sidebar. Click on Reset and Clean Up, then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults to reset the settings. Method 7. Reinstall Roblox. If you still see the error code 523 on Roblox when joining a game, I suggest reinstalling the game on your computer. This way, I can ensure that Roblox's resources are installed correctly on your system, and there are no broken or missing files. Method 8. Contact Roblox support. If all the above methods did not work, I suggest go to the Roblox support and tell them to fix your issue.